Hey everyone guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to use your meal credit guys on your Grubhub app. So if you got some meal credit, you can apply to your next order, and we're going to walk you through how to do this in just a few easy steps. So what you're going to do guys, first things first, is actually start by opening up the Grubhub app on your smartphone, okay? Just start by opening up this app and make sure you're actually logged in to the Grubhub account before we can begin with the next steps. Okay, now once you're logged in, just browse the app. Okay, browse the app and just add the items you want to order to your cart. Whether it's lunch, dinner, or a late night snack, just add your items as usual. And when you're actually ready, guys, to check out, okay, just tap on the shopping cart icon at the upper right corner of the screen to go to your checkout page. Okay, now on the checkout page, just scroll down to the payment methods section. Scroll down, and here you'll see the available payment methods, including any meal credits or promo codes. So if you have meal credits available, they will appear in the payment section. Just simply tap on the apply button next to your meal credit balance to use it towards your order. And basically, guys, after applying the meal credit, you're going to see the updated total to your order. And if everything looks good, guys, you can actually proceed to complete your order as usual by tapping on place order. And that's it, guys. Your meal credit has been applied and your order is now on its way. It's actually a great way to save some money while enjoying your favorite meals, guys. And if this tutorial helps, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Happy eating, guys. See you guys in the next video.